Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, make sure your Roblox account is age 13 or older and verified, because voice is restricted otherwise. Once done, give your browser or app microphone permission in your operating system, then open Roblox settings and allow mic access there too. Now join Blox Fruits, open the in-game menu, and locate voice chat or audio settings, toggle the voice feature on. This begins the connection process, and you'll move into in-game voice configuration next. Once voice is enabled, choose how you want to be heard. Spatial voice for realistic proximity audio or party chat for team-wide talking. You must pick the correct input device in the audio menu, select your headset or USB mic, then set volume and sensitivity so your voice is clear without constant clipping. Make sure you understand proximity versus party behavior. Proximity lets nearby players hear you, while party or crew chat reaches teammates across the map. After settings, finish by testing your setup. Join with a friend and speak normally while they confirm volume and background noise. If voice doesn't connect, leave and rejoin the server or restart the Roblox app, since session handshakes sometimes fail. Make sure your microphone drivers and the Roblox client are up to date, and reconfirm account age and privacy permissions. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, toggle spatial voice off and on, then reboot. This often resets permissions and resolves the majority of connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.